Version 1 of the composter is at this link. I'm making a new version 2 that has the barrel a bit higher, longer pipes for handles, and better aeration. Here's a DIY composter I made. I'll put the link down below of where I made this. You come over here and look inside, you can see the compost is brewing. This kind of barrel gives a really good tight fit. And over here, what I made was 2 breathing holes. What I don't want when I turn the composter is I don't want it to drip all over myself. So this one's cooking. I'm going to make another one. So I'm going to do something different besides these compost hose, first thing. Second thing is, right here, I'm going to make the pipe longer so we can lift this up, carry it across the yard. And thirdly, when I want to dump this, I have a bucket here. I will empty it. I just need a couple more inches to get it to empty right. So I'm going to make this piece right here a little taller. Okay, you see right here, on this side and this side, I made it long enough so that we can just pick it up when we tie it off. Number 2, I made these taller. And thirdly, this is what I did on the pipe. I have 4 holes. They're big enough to allow air in. I'm going to point them down so they don't continually fill up. If I think they're not breathing right, I'll just squirt water in here and flush it out. I will put some screening or some brass wool here to keep the bugs from going in. Or if I want some bugs going in, like soldier flies, they lay these little eggs and maggots. They really take down your compost really quickly. All right, let's put it together. Easy way to put this in, tilt it over. Push it in right here. And on the inside of the bucket, see it go through. There we go. Okay, and we'll lift it up. As with all these C-clamps, make sure when you lift it, you don't poke your finger on there. Cover on. Okay, let's get a good spin on it, see how balanced it is. Nice. Again, check the original video of how I made it. Put it in there. It's almost vertical, that's going to be perfect. So if we have a shallower bucket, see if it'll fit empty in there. Yep, perfect fit.